Yes, good evening, all students. I hope my voice is clear and my screen is visible to you all. Can I get the quick response? Thank you, students. Thanks for the confirmation. Yes, as we reached more than 3K students, and we have shared the YouTube live link in the Telegram group and in the chat section as well. If anybody having joining the issues, just you can access the YouTube live video and they can participate in the YouTube live video. And once again, good evening, all students. I would like to welcome all to the IBM Skills Build and ACT 6-week internship. And today we will going to begin with orientation session. In this orientation session, I will going to explain all the program overview and the 6-week in detail process and what is the IBM Skills Build and what is your roles for accessing final completion certificate. All the details I will going to explain in detail. And here myself, Channa Baswa Adav, I am working as a program manager in Element Foundation. Here we have my colleague Nandini. She is the mentor for this entire 6-week internship. Moving for students about Edenet Foundation. Edenet Foundation was founded in 2015 as a non-profit organization. Edenet is an NGO and it's founded in 2015. And recently we have completed our 10 years on decade. And also we have received special consultative status from even since 2020. And EduNet Foundation will be focusing on mainly education and upskilling student skill set. That is a main core focus for EduNet Foundation. And you can see there are various NGOs working in the society for upskilling students and also their upskilling education sector as well as health sector, environment, and various sector they were working. But when it comes to the EduNet Foundation, we will be working mainly for education and skilling. And also we have a program span entire education spectrum. We're going to work for the schools, vocational institutions, technical and non-technical colleges, as well as out of education learners. Few of the programs will going to represent economic weaker section students to upskilling them and they can come back to the mainstream. That's how our program will going to work for these backward classes students. And also we will be focusing morely technology anchored skilling program like aim to enhance employability, especially for beneficiary from Tier 2, Tier 3 colleges as well as Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. And we have impacted more than 650,000 learners since 2018 through our various program students. And also we have a CSR program implementation partners with IBM, Microsoft, Vodafone, Idea Foundation, as well as TCS, LTI Mindtree, Aditya Birla, and these are our major CSR partners. And we have received great place to work since last 3 years continuously. And this program is brought to you by IBM CSR Initiative Program. I hope you all are aware about what is the IBM, what is the brand in society. Because every tech aspirant dream is to work in IBM company. That IBM is brought to you by these internship students. And what is the IBM Skills Build platform? IBM Skills Build is the free digital platform that will give every adult to the opportunity to develop their technology as well as professional skill set, regardless of their education and their background life, like their life experience. IBM Skills Build is the free digital platform, and that platform anyone can access anytime, anywhere. They can access. Just they have to attend our orientation program, and they need to register the Skills Build platform, and they can access the platform. That's how this IBM Skills Build is benefited for the students for upskilling themselves, and they can easily crack jobs in the job market. And also, yes, students will get the learning needs because over thousands of courses with certification and badges from IBM. In single platform, students can get more than 10,000 plus courses. All the courses, certificates are free of cost, and all the courses are recognized by IBM industry expert. And also yes, students will get the hands-on learning experience because yes, students can opportunity to participate in project-based learning, and also they can access for industry mentorship as well because in this 6-week internship our mentor will going to take the hands-on session and students have to work on their real world project because we will get hands-on from our mentors, and student have to project work on their individual projects. That's how here students can get the hands-on learning experience with Internet Foundation. And also, finally, students can get the access to employment opportunity as well. Here, we won't give 100% assurance for the employment opportunity, but we can link to the some of the job fairs and digital work for the placement opportunity students. This is the IBM Skills Build platform. As I mentioned, this is a digital platform. Here, anyone can access this platform. Just they have to register through our orientation program, and easily they can access the IBM Skills Build platform. In single platform, students can access more than 10,000 plus courses. All the courses certificates are prepared by IBM Industry Expert. All the courses, badges, certificates are free of cost. Here, no need to pay even single rupee also. When I started this orientation, few students were asked about the this question. They need to pay anything. Here, no need to pay any 1 rupee for this attending this internship student. This is totally free of cost. And what is the benefits for this IBM Skills Build platform? And here, students will get the social media showcase. Once they part of our IBM Skills Build family, students can access our social media showcase, and we can also showcase students' skill sets in the social media. And once they part of our orientation program, yes, students will get the lifetime access. There is no expiry date, and there is no deadline, and there is no duration to access the IBM SkillsBit platform. They will get the lifetime access. This is a huge benefit for this IBM SkillsBit platform. And also, your students can learn the entry level skills for the job market. Like they can upskill their skill sets, and easily they can crack jobs in the job market. And here, students can opportunity to participate in our PBL and deep and PBL like we will be offering for technical students through ACT portal for 6 week internship, 4 week internships, and we'll be offering like 1 week, 2 week boot camps as well. In this boot camp and PBL project based learning, our mentors will be taking the hands-on session, and student need to work on some real world project. And once they submitted their project, they can claim the internship completion certificate. And also in the single platform, students can access more than 10,000 plus courses. All the courses are self-based learning because here all the courses are pre-prepared by IBM Industry Expert because here no one comes to teach you students. Just you have to, just you need some laptop or mobile phone. Just you need decent internet connection. This too is enough for accessing this IBM Skills Build platform. And also here, students can get the interactive multimedia course materials from the Skills Build platform. And also educators can get the content from the Skills Build platform and industry recognized certificates and badges. And all these internships course are free of cost. This is the features and benefits of IBM Skills Build platform. What is the this 6 week program overview, students? And this is a virtual internship provided by IBM. Few students were asked in the initial, this internship is by IBM or Internet Foundation. This internship is provided by IBM through its IBM Skills Build platform. And also the internship will be delivered by Internet Foundation. Internet Foundation is the implementing partner, and that will be coordinating and managing all the internship on behalf of IBM. I hope now this is clear to all students. This internship is from IBM only, will be implementing through its IBM Skills Build platform via Edunet Foundation. And duration of this internship is 6 week internship, and you all are need to work on artificial intelligence and machine learning. This time we have offered AI/ML domain, and the 6 weeks including project completion as well as submission students. In this 6 week, you have to complete your registration process. You have to complete your self-paced learning, and you have to complete your projects, and you need to submit within the deadline. This is the 6 week duration of this internship. In the 6 week, our mentor will going to take the mentor led session, and they will going to give hands-on experience for the students. And from the Advent Foundation, one of the nodal officer will be there for supporting you and clarifying your doubts, students. And the internship and certification are free of cost, and there will be no stipend from this internship, and we won't ask any amount for the students also. This is totally free of cost, and this internship does not guarantee any placement opportunity. This is the overall program overview, students. Any doubts so far? Okay, thanks for the quick response, students. Moving forward, what is the technology track? Students can pursue their internship in the following track. Like this time, as I mentioned, we have offered artificial intelligence and machine learning. And project title will be employee salary prediction. You all have to work on this employee salary prediction project. And about the project, this project aims to develop a machine learning model that predicts employee salary based on the factors like experience, education, job roles, locations, and industry. And analyzing historical data and models and patterns support data-driven hiring comparison like decisions. Key tasks include data pre-processing features like engineering model, like training and performance evaluation using regression techniques. Here, I will give just a glimpse about the technology track students. From next week onwards, we will be having the technical sessions, and our mentor Nandini will going to take the this employee salary prediction in detail session, technical session. And what are the learning outcomes? Here, students can grasp the like core AML concept with the focus on regression techniques and performing data cleaning processing and features of engineering. And they can build and evaluate regression models using Python. And also they can use tools like Jupyter and some of the other Seaborn for analysis and visualization. Just these are the glimpse about the this 6 week AI project. And what are the expectation from students? Here, because for completing successfully this 6 week internship, we will be expecting these are the points from the students because this is a virtual internship. For that, every student at least have their mobile phone or computer and decent internet. This is mandatory for all students because this is a virtual internship and you need to attend through virtual sessions only. For that, you should need your smartphone, either computer, and decent internet connection. This is mandatory for attending this internship. And also students should have their Windows operating system. And also window like students need to have their updated browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, and other preferred. These are the software you need to be installed before starting our technical session, students. And also students should have their text editor. And also students should participate in the orientation session like given time. So like we have scheduled orientation session 18 June 2025, that is today. From next week onwards, we will be conducting our technical session till the 6th week. And for attending all the mental ed session and orientation session is mandatory for getting your final certification. And student must participate in all the technical mental ed sessions. And also, we have to mark attendance for all the sessions. While concluding the session, we will going to share the attendance form for the in the chat section as well as in your Telegram group. You all need to mark for your attendance for this session for the all 6 sessions. And also, students should pursue self-paced learning through given materials and completion of courses on skillsbuild platform. In this orientation session, I will going to explain how to register on skillsbuild platform, and also I will be providing glimpse about how to access courses, how to complete it, and how to generate certificate. And later, we will going to provide one customized learning plan in your respective domain, like artificial intelligence domain. We will going to provide one customized learning plan. All students should need to complete the that customized learning plan. And also students are expected to complete all the submit their project presentation on before the deadline. And students need to submit their project before the deadline. Within 6th week, we're going to conduct the mental ed sessions and we're going to give the answer on how we can prepare the projects, and you need to submit before the deadline for your project as well. These are the expectation from the students for attending these internships, and also they can claim your completion certificates, internship completion certificates. See, this is a week-wise implementation plan, students, and we have started with student registration. Students are applied this internship through AICT portal, and we have shortlisted students and adding them to the Telegram group. We already sent invitation into the bulk email, and we have some 15K students in our Telegram group. Then we have started with student orientation. Today we will be having the student orientation, and next week onwards we will be conducting technical sessions on artificial intelligence and machine learning. And later, we're going to provide the customized learning plan. Students have to complete the customized learning plan respective domain. That is the fifth option. Then student need to attend the project discussion and they can clarify their doubts, students. And also they have to work on the individual projects. I will be repeating again, all students should be work on their individual projects. We won't accept any group project. All students should be submit their individual project. Then they need to complete their project within the deadline and they need to submit before the deadline. After submission of your project, we will going to evaluate all your projects. Then we will going to circulate the final internship completion certificate for the eligible students. I hope this is clear, students. So far, all good. Any doubts? Yes, there is no any charge for the project, students. You all have to work on your individual project. That is also employee salary prediction. That is your project title. You all have to work on the employee salary prediction with applying for the artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. Okay, moving forward. See, student, this is a week-wise implementation. We will be having only weekly one mental lab session. And after that, you have to complete the self-paced learning. So week zero, we have started with 18 June 2025, started with orientation. From next 25th June, we will be aligning your technical session. We'll be starting with our project. And then we will going to take the technical content for the next week onwards. Likewise, we'll be having weekly one session. These are the dates aligned for your these 6 week sessions. And every Wednesday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., we have scheduled your session on Zoom. I hope this is clear. This is a week-wise implementation plan, and there is no regular session. A few students have raised their concern initial of the this session. There will be no regular session, students. You all have to attend only weekly one session, that is 2 hour session. Then later you all have to work on the self-paced learning. We're going to provide customized learning plan. You have to complete all the course, and you can explore the IBM Skills Build platform. As I mentioned, once you completed your registration process, you can access skills build platform. In that single platform, students can access more than 10,000 plus courses, and all the courses are free of cost. And based on interest, you can complete the courses. You can earn the digital credentials, students. Some of the standard course, students can earn the digital credentials, and they can showcase in social media, and they can mention in their CV also, students. And who is the mentor for these 6 week students? And Nandini ma'am is the mentor for your 6 week internship. And she's a computer science professional with a strong educational foundation, including she has completed BE and ME in computer science and also having 4.5 years experience in teaching as an assistant professor. And also she is having deep understanding of fostering academic growth. And she is the your mentor for this 6 week internship. And what are the important points you need to note down? This internship will be delivered a period of 6 week duration, starting from today and followed by 6 week. The orientation will be conducting today, 18 June 2025, and all the session will be delivered virtually, and we'll be providing learning materials. You can complete it by IBM Skills Build platform. And also students will work independently on the self-paced courses and project. As I mentioned, we won't accept any group projects. All students should be complete their individual projects and they need to submit. Then only students will eligible for the final certification. And all students should be participate all the mentor led sessions. That is also mandatory. The internship concludes with a submission of project presentation and completion of courses on IBM Skills Build platform. There are major criteria, students, for getting your final certification. I will be repeating again. First thing, you have to apply through AICT portal. Then only you will be eligible for this internship. And you will be getting the email from EduNet Foundation regarding this internship details. We already sent several uh, confirmation email for participation of this 6 week internship. That is the first step. You need to apply through AICT portal only. If any students attending through directly, then that student won't eligible for this internship, and they need to attend through AICT portal. The second one, you have to attend the orientation session, and you need to complete the IBM Skills Build registration process. So this is the second step. All students should complete your registration in Skills Build platform. and you need to complete the self-paced learning. We're going to provide the customized learning plan. All students should complete the customized learning plan. The later you need to submit the learning plan completion certificate as well. This is the third step. And fourth one, all students should be attend all the mental health session because we're going to track your attendance details. For that, for attending all the mental health session also mandatory. This is the fourth step. And fifth one, you all have to work on your individual project and you need to submit your individual project only. That is also before the deadline. This is the fourth step. And finally, we will going to evaluate all your projects. Then we will going to share the eligible students for the final completion certificate. These are the major criteria for getting your final certification. I hope this is clear. Any doubts, students? So far, any doubts? I will tell you, students. I will tell you how to register on Skills Bill. I will tell you, and we will going to share your offer letter as well. Few students have raised concern about the offer letters. Next 2 to 3 days, students, we're going to provide your offer letters as well. Moving forward, students. So, students, there is a scam alert behalf of Internet Foundation. Is anybody asking, offering like internship orientation? If they're asking any amount, there is a scam alert because Internet Foundation is won't ask any amount for the students or colleges. Whatever we are implementing program, all the programs are free of cost. For that, if anyone asks money for offering internships, any orientations, boot camps, any placement opportunities, please feel free to reach out to any one of the Advent Foundation team members. This is a scam alert, students. Any doubts, students, so far? So far, what I have discussed, this is the program details. Now I will be begin with IBM Skills Build registration process. So this is the most important section in this orientation session. If you have any doubts so far what we have discussed, you can ask. I can wait 2 to 3 minutes for clarifying your doubts. Then I will move to the IBM Skills Build registration process. Student, just you need some basic knowledge about this technical concept. Then only you can easily you can grasp the things. For that, if you need some basic knowledge about the technical things, that will be enough. It's not like a only for technical students. If you're eager to learn, then you can participate, students. Then moving forward, students, I will begin with IBM skills build registration process. I would request every all students to carry your mobile phone. You need to follow the process. I will going to explain how to register on Skills Build portal. There are three simple steps, students, for creating account in Skills Build platform. Just you need your valid Gmail ID. That is mandatory for creating account on Skills Build platform. And also just you can scan this QR code, provided QR code. Then we'll begin with the IBM Skills Build registration process. I would request Nandini madam to share the self-registration link in the chat as well as in Telegram group, ma'am.
Yes, sir, I have shared.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Nandini madam is already shared the self-registration link. The meanwhile, students, I will be disable for the chat section because you will be missing the links. Now you can share again, ma'am. I have disabled chat section for students. Students, Nandini ma'am already shared the self-registration link in the chat as well as in your Telegram group. And also you can scan this QR code also. See, once you click the self-registration link, we'll move to the IBM Skills Build registration process. Here we have given, we have attached screenshot for better understanding, students. Once you click the self-registration link, we will move to the first screenshot. Here you can see There are multiple options like sign up with Google, sign up with LinkedIn, sign up with IBM ID. All students should click on sign up with Google. You all have to choose first option, sign up with Google. See, once you click the sign up with Google, we will move to the multiple account logged in your device. You can see I am having some multiple accounts in my device. You can see these are the multiple accounts logged in my device. Here, students need to choose your recent and valid Gmail ID because once you set up your skills build profile, maybe week after, month after, if you want to access your skills build platform, it will be asking your password, ID and password. For that, you should know your Gmail ID password. For that, please choose your recent and valid Gmail ID. I will be choosing my recent and valid Gmail ID. Then we'll move to the let's set up our profile for the first step. As I mentioned, for completing this registration process, there are three simple steps. First one is basic information, and second one is additional information, and third one is terms and condition. Only three simple steps are there. Now I'm going to explain in detail, students. Under first step, you can see you have to choose your first name. Here Channa is first name and Baswa is last name. Likewise, you have to select your first name and family name. Family name is nothing but just you can mention your surname also. All good students, no issues. You have to click provided self-registration link in the chat section. Once you click the self-registration link, we'll move to the IBM skills build registration process. Here, you need to choose first option, sign up with Google. And once you click the sign up with Google, we will move to the multiple account logged in our device. If you're having only single account, just you can select the single account and we can proceed. If you're having multiple account and you need to choose your recent and valid Gmail ID. And once you choose your account, we'll move to the first step basic information. Under basic information, there are four questions. We need to mention our first name, we need to mention our family name, and the next question is country. Here, right side, there is a drop down. You will have to click the drop down and select country. Viola belongs to India, just you can select the India. Next question is location. Location is nothing but you have to choose your state. There is a right drop down. You can select the drop down and you can select your state. See, these are the four questions we need to complete in first step. You can see I have completed first step. I have filled my first name, I have filled my family name, I have chosen my country, and I have chosen my location, Karnataka. So this is the four questions we have to complete it in first step. We'll move to the second step, additional information. This step is optional also. You can skip also. Under additional information, you can see we have to select our age category. Again, you have to choose right drop down and you can choose first option 18 to 25. And next one is what is your status? Like you are looking for a job, either you are a college student. You can choose either first option, either third one. Both will work. If you're a college student, you can choose third option. And if you're already passing out student, just you can choose either looking for a job. The next one, you need to check out this tick box students. Here, IBM Skills Build will ask your authentication to send an email because IBM Skills Build is a larger platform. Sometimes new courses will going to update it in the portal. For that, you will be getting notification from Skills Build platform. For that, it will ask you to give an authentication to send an email. Just you can check out this tick box. See, once we completed a second step, it will be looks like I have selected my age criteria and I have selected my status and I have given authentication to Skills Build platform for sending email. This is the second step. Then we'll move to the third step, terms and condition. Under terms and condition, you all have to check out all these three tick boxes. This is all about your age consent, data privacy, as well as terms of use. If you download any application in your mobile phone in the Play Store, there is a terms and condition based on the application. Likewise, here also IBM Skillsbuild has a terms and condition about your age consent, data privacy, as well as terms of use. Just you need to check out all the three tick boxes. Once you check out the three tick boxes, then you need to click the submit button, students. Here you need to click only once in submit button. Do not click with multiple times because students, you will get some error. Once you completed this three step, there is a submit option. You all have to click only once in submit button. Do not click with multiple times, students. You will be getting some error. Please click only once in submit button. Then we'll move to the next step. Here you will be getting a pop-up like success. Your account is created. Then click the go to selection. Then we'll move to the welcome page. Under you need to choose your preferred language. English will be the preferred language. You can keep English, otherwise you can select based on your interest, student. Then click the continue button. We'll move to the IBM skills build dashboard. See, this is the last screenshot. It will refers if you have successfully completed the IBM skills build registration process. See, students, once you completed this, if you got this page means congratulations, you have successfully completed your account on skills build platform. And just you can take a screenshot and you need to upload in our Telegram group, students. I will give access to students to upload this screenshot. If you successfully reached, if you successfully created account on skills build platform, if you're getting this home page, just you can take a screenshot and you need to upload in our Telegram group. Under the top of below, you can see there is a more option. Just you can click the more option and you will be getting the, here you need to choose profile section. Once you click the profile section, your profile will appear. You all need to take a screenshot of this profile section because this information will going to helpful for fill out few forms like the later we're going to provide attendance form as well as submission form. We're going to provide few forms. In that forms, we're going to ask you to submit few details like mention your skills build email ID. Skills build email ID is nothing but your registered email ID. And you need to mention skills build organization. Say whatever reflects here, you need to mention the same. Say my skills build organization is DGT. You need to take a screenshot of this profile section. You need to keep it with yourself, students. Students, now I will give access in the Telegram group. You can post your profile section screenshots. Allow me 1 minute. Students, I have given access. Now you can share your skills build registered profile section as well as your home page. Students, I will give access to chat as well. So far, if you have any doubts, anyone stuck anywhere for this registration process, just you can Kushal Patak, you can complete. You can complete. We already sent one email. If you can check your email, we already sent. If you are already account students, try to re-register with new email ID. That will work. Just you can use your new email ID for this registration process if you already have account. Yes, you can. Now you can share your profile section. Later, I'm going to tell you. You need to share your certification as well. I will going to explain. Now you can share your profile section, students, in your Telegram group. You can share your profile section screenshot. As I mentioned, students, if you already have account, try to re-register with new Gmail ID. If some students were getting error, please delete your history and cookies. Then you can retry, students,
Sir,
because I can see.
sorry to interrupt you, sir. For most of the students, it is showing DGT. They have posted in the Telegram group.
Yes,
under
yes.
the
All
profile
students
section.
should be under DGT only. If students were getting some other organization, those students need to re-register with new email ID students. All students should be under DGT only. If you are getting some other organization, those students need to re-register with new email ID. Then you will be getting the DGT organization. You need to use only provided self-registration link. Then 100% you will get the DGT organization. That is fine. If you are getting internet, that
I
is fine,
can,
students.
yes. Yeah, for some students are getting EduNet, that is also fine. For
Yes,
example,
yes.
Shreya, yes.
That is fine, students. If you get Edunet Foundation, DGT, absolutely fine. Apart from this, if some students get like Open Skills Build, Recha, CSR Box, those students need to re-register with new Gmail ID. Then you will get DGT or Edunet Foundation. Dear students, quickly I will repeat the process again. See, you all need to use the provided self-registration link. And once you click the self-registration link, we'll move to the registration process. Under registration process, you need to click sign up with Google option. Once you click the sign up with Google option, we will move to the multiple accounts logged in our device. Here you need to choose your recent and valid Gmail ID. Once you click the recent Gmail ID, we'll move to the first step. For completing this registration process, we need to complete three simple steps. First step is basic information. Under basic information, there are four questions like your first name, family name, country, location. You need to complete these four questions. So once you completed these four questions, we'll move to the second step, additional information. Under additional information, there are three questions. You have to select your age category, you have to select your status, and you have to check out the authentication box for sending an email. This is the second step. First step, basic information. You need to complete four questions. Second step is additional information. You have to complete three questions. And the third one is terms and condition. Under terms and condition, you need to check out all three tick boxes. Once you completed three steps, you need to click only once in submit button. Then you will be getting pop-up like success. Your account is created. You will be getting this pop-up. Then click the go to selection and you can select your preferred language. English will be the default one. You can keep it English. Otherwise, you can select based on your interest. Then click the continue button. We'll move to the IBM skillsbuild dashboard. Under dashboard, you can see learning hours is zero and digital credential is zero. Once you started your learning, all the progress will going to reflect in your IBM skillsbuild dashboard. How many hours you have completed, how many digital credential, and all the details, it will be reflecting under IBM skillsbuild dashboard students. Then here you can click the top of the below. You can see there is a more option. Just click the more option and you can select second option profile section. Then your profile will appears. As I mentioned, this profile information will going to helpful for your further communication. We will going to share attendance form as well as some submission forms. In that forms, we will ask you to submit your skills build email ID. Skills build email ID is nothing but your skills build registered email ID. And there is one more question, skills build organization. Skills build organization is nothing but whatever reflects in your profile section, you have to mention the same. My skills build organization is DGT. If you're getting Internet Foundation, you have to mention the same. If some students get some other organization, I would request those students if you are getting apart from DGT Internet Foundation, if you are getting like Open Skills Build, Recharge, CSR, some other organization, those students need to re-register with your new Gmail ID and you need to use only provided self-registration link. Then you will be getting this Digital Internet Foundation. I hope this is clear. Any doubts so far, students? Any doubts? Yes, yes, DGT and Internet Foundation, both will be fine. If you're getting academia and some other organization, those students need to. It's not fine. CSR box, like academia, some other organization, students need to re-register with new Gmail ID students. Well, students, now I'm going to explain how to access courses. I already mentioned in the IBM Skills Build platform, there are thousands of courses available and how you can access those courses. Under homepage, you can see top of the below, there is a search option. You all have to choose search option and there is a search box will appear. Under search box, just you need to just type keyword, any keyword like, for example, we have typed as a artificial intelligence. Based on our search, the courses will be appears like artificial intelligence fundamentals. This is the digital credential course students. Like explore text to speech using IBM Watson. Likewise, whatever keywords you will be mentioning in the search box, the courses will appear. This is the same process for all the courses students. You need to explore the platform like this only. Just go to the skills build platform, select the search option, just type out which course you want to take up. Then courses will appear, just you can take up. Now I will going to provide one Edunet Skills Build Orientation Learning Plan students. This is the customized learning plan and I would request Nandini madam to share the Edunet Skills Build Orientation Learning Plan in the chat and Telegram group students. Here we have provided customized learning plan for your better understanding. Here we have provided 5 short duration courses. Say communicating with impact as a 10 minutes course, critical soft skills for project manager as the 3 minutes course, and job readiness skills as the 15 minutes course. This is for
Sir,
just your
can
understanding students. The later we're going to provide actual learning plan as well.
sir, can you disable the chat so that the students won't miss the link?
Sure, ma'am. Students, just time being, we will be disabling chat section. Madam already provided the Edunet Skills Build Orientation Learning Plan. Please click the provided learning plan. You will move to the learning plan dashboard. See, this is the Edunet Skills Build Orientation Learning Plan dashboard. Once you reach here, there is a blue button called Enroll for this learning plan. All students should click on Enroll for this learning plan. You all need to enroll for this learning plan, then only you can access for the customized courses. Once you click the Enroll course, you can access the below courses. Then you can select first course, Communicating with Impact. Now I am selecting the Communicating with Impact course. We'll move to the course details. See, this is a course name. Course name is Communicating with Impact. The duration is 10 minutes. This is the ratings and this is the course learning activities. Here top of the below you can see there is a blue button called Go to this activity. Student should choose Go to this activity button. I am choosing this Go to this activity button. Then we'll move to the course content. See, this is the course content. This Communicating with Impact as the web content. Some other courses, students will get the YouTube video content as well. And some standard courses, students need to complete certain quizzes as well. Some standard courses need to complete quizzes, then only you can earn the course completion certificate as well as digital credential students. Now you need to thoroughly complete this course content. So whatever I am explaining, this is a mobile version. There is a slight difference between desktop version. I will going to explain later desktop mode as well. Now where in the course content, just you can scroll this content. And once you completed this course content, there is no option for submit or next or back button. Student should manually click the back button. Once you completed this course content, just manually click the back button. Just you can click the back button in your mobile phone. There is no option to submit or next button. Just click the back button. And once you click the back button, there is a pop-up will appears about did you completed this activity. It will ask you, have you completed this course content? Then click the yes mark complete button and click the close button. We'll move to the next step. There is one more pop-up will appears about the duration section. Here no need to change any duration. Just click the submit button because this course has only 10 minutes duration. No need to change any duration. Just click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, see there is a green tick mark. Your course status will going to updated as green tick mark. We have successfully completed the Communicating with Impact course. This is the process for completion of the course. And once you completed the course, once you got this green tick mark, and now you can generate the course completion certificate. After share button, there is a three dot. You will have to choose this three dot and multiple options will appear. You will have to choose first option, view completion certificate. You need to choose first option, view completion certificate. See, this is your IBM Skills Build course completion certificate. IBM Skills Build logo. This is your username and this is the course name, course URL, course date, and the duration. All the information will going to reflect in the course completion certificate. And there's a top of two option like print and share button. You can print and you can share it in your social media. And here, if you successfully generated this course completion certificate, you need to take a screenshot and upload in our Telegram group students. We need for our reference. And you need to keep on explore the IBM Skills Build platform and you can share your all the certificates in Skills Build like our official Telegram group students. Any doubts so far, students? How to access courses, how to complete? Any doubts in this part? I'm checking the Telegram group students. So far, no one shared their course completion certificate. Can I know the reason? Or we
Sir,
have disabled?
no, sir, I have disabled the chat for some instruction. I will enable it soon, sir. Give
No
me a
worries, no
minute. Allow
worries.
me 1 minute.
I have given access, Nandini.
Okay, sir.
Yes, students, we have enabled a Telegram group. Now you can post your course completion certificate. Okay, students are mentioning a link is not working. Just you can share what error you are getting, students. Because here we have some 6 to 7K students have been attended. For that, maybe there will be some server down. You can access later also, students. Dear students, allow me 2 minutes. I will check what is the error. Yeah, students, maybe the U students were accessing this platform. For that, maybe we are getting this server down. Students, you can access later also. Just you can understood the process, how you can complete the registration process, and how you can access the courses and complete it.
Students, better you can use a new Gmail ID because you might have completed a core internship or courses with your existing IDs. Our suggestion is to create a new Gmail ID account and start registering yourself in the IBM skillsbuild platform, and make sure that your under your profile section it should be either DGT or EduNet Foundations. If you are finding any other name like CSR Open Skills Build, try to create a new Gmail account and start registering yourself in the platform. But make sure that you should have either EduNet or DGT. Then only these are all some metrics for this internship program. Okay, so when we are evaluating these terms, so you should not get any difficulties or challenges at that time. So make sure that in the beginning stage itself, you are going with the correct process. Okay, so make sure you should have registered on this platform with the new Gmail ID. That won't make any challenges at the last minute. Clear? Is this clear to everyone? And you might face some server problem because many students are accessing this platform, okay, simultaneously, so you might get some delay while accessing the platform. So you can try this later on with the help of the recordings. We will be sharing the recordings with you all in the Telegram group as well, but make sure you will be completing all the process by today itself.
Students, I will try from my end as well. If I can able to access, then I will going to show you practically. I have clicked the provided demo orientation course link. For me also, it's loading students. No worries. Then I will share my PPT and again I will going to go explain. A few students have been joined late, and quickly I will going to explain the registration as well as the accessing the courses. Students, you need to use the provided self-registration link. And once we completed the session, I will going to share all the important links in your Telegram group. And we're going to pin the messages. Just easily you can access the all the important links. Once you click the self-registration link, we'll move to the registration process. Under registration process, you want to choose first option, sign up with Google. Once you click the sign up with Google, we'll move to the multiple account logged in your device. Here you need to choose your recent and valid Gmail ID. Once you click the recent and valid Gmail ID, we'll move to the first step. For completing this registration process, we need to complete three basic simple steps. First one is basic information, second one additional information, third one terms and condition. Under first step basic information, we need to complete four questions. We have to fill out first name, we have to fill out family name, we have to choose our country. There is a right drop down. You all can choose country belongs to India, just you can select India. Next question is location. Location is nothing but your state. Same, you have to click right drop down and you can select your state. Once you completed first step, it will be look like just I have completed first name, family name, I have chosen the country, I have chosen the location. We'll move to the second step, additional information. Under additional information, there are three questions. First one is select your age category. And next one, you have to choose your status. You are looking for a job, either you are a college student. Either first, you can choose third one. Both will work, students. Next, you need to check out this authentication box. IBM skills will require your authentication to send an email. For that, just you can check out this authentication box. See, once you completed second step, it will be looks like we have selected our age category, you have selected our state, we have checked out the authentication box. We'll move to the third step, terms and condition. Under terms and condition, there are three tick box about your age concern, data privacy, as well as terms of use. Just you need to check out all the three tick box and then you need to click only once in submit button. See, once you click the submit button, you will be getting one pop-up like successfully you have created the skills build account. Then click the go to selection option and we'll move to the welcome page. Under welcome page, you need to choose your preferred language. English will be the default one. If you want, you can change based on your interest student. Then click the continue button. We'll move to the IBM skills build dashboard. See, if you're getting this page means you have successfully created your account, then you can explore the skills build platform. And once you started your learning, all the progress will going to reflect under this dashboard. Under dashboard, the top of the below, you can see the last option, the more option. Just you need to click more option and you can select the profile section. There is a second option is profile and you need to select profile. Your profile will appears. This is your profile section. If you reach here, you need to take a screenshot. You need to keep it with yourself because later we will going to ask you to submit your few details about the skills build registration process. We're going to ask you to submit your skills build registration, skills build email ID, and skills build organization. Skills build email ID is nothing but your skills build uh, registered email ID. The skills build organization, whatever reflects under your profile section, you need to mention the same. Here, my skills build organization is DGT. If some students will get Internet Foundation, they need to mention the same. If some students will get other organization like Open Skills Build Academia, Richa, those students need to re-register with new Gmail ID.
So sorry for the interruption. What about ACA EduNet, sir? EduNet Foundation under
That is
the profile.
Academia. Academia. Those students
Yeah.
also need to re-register.
Yeah, so students, those who are having doubt on AC EduNet Foundation, you have to create an account with new Gmail ID. The only option we have either EduNet Foundation or DGT.
See, this is the registration process. Now I will going to explain how to explore the platform. So this is the dashboard. Under dashboard, you can click the search option. Top of the below, you can see search button. Just click the search button and there is a search box will appear. Under search box, just you need to type any keywords. Like here, for example, we have typed as artificial intelligence. The based on search, you can see respective courses will appear, students. And here you need to choose your based on your interest. Likewise, all the 10,000 plus courses you can access with the same process. In the dashboard, you can select the search. Under search option, just you can type which course you want to take up. Then you can select the courses. And for your reference, we have shared the Internet Skills Build Orientation Demo Learning Plan. And you need to choose that provided demo orientation learning plan. Then you will move to the learning plan dashboard. Under learning plan dashboard, you need to enroll for this particular learning plan. There is a blue button called enroll. You need to select the enroll. Then you can able to access the customized learning plan. See, this is for just your understanding. These are the short duration courses. The later we're going to provide actual learning plan students. That will you need to spend at least 10 to 15 hours for completing that actual learning plan. That is also your respective domain, artificial intelligence. And here I need to choose. I will be selecting first course, communicating with impact. We'll move to the course details. See, this is the course details, the course name, course duration, course ratings, and about the course activity. Here, top of the below, there is a go to this activity button. You need to select go to this activity button, and we'll move to the course content. So this is a communicating with impact as a web content. Thoroughly, you need to go through the all the course content. It will take hardly 10 minutes to complete this course content. And once you complete it, once you scroll down, the last option, there is no option for submit or next button. And manually, you will have to click the back button. Once you click the black button, there is one pop-up will appears about did you completed this activity? Just click S mark complete button and click the close button. And one more pop-up will appears about duration section. And the duration, no need to change any timings because this course has only 10 minutes duration. Just click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, there is a green tick mark. Your course status will going to update it as completed, and which date and year all the information will going to update it. Once you got this green tick mark, and now you can able to generate your course completion certificate. After share button, there is a three dot. You all need to click the three dot, and you need to select the first option, view completion certificate. This is for mobile version. For desktop board, there is a slight difference. After go to this activity button, there is a third option called action button. Who all are using your computers, those students, please listen carefully. After go to this activity button, third option action button, you need to select action button and select the first option, view completion certificate. Then this is your IBM skills build course completion certificate, students. And once you successfully generated this certificate, you need to take a screenshot and upload in our Telegram group. And this is the same process for all the courses. There is two option called print and share a button. You can print and you can share it in your social media, students. This is all about our orientation session, students. If you have any doubts so far what we have discussed in this orientation session, now please feel free to ask in the chat section. We can clarify your doubts. You all are able to access video, students. Can I get the confirmation in chat? You all are able to open your camera. I will try to explain in the practical mode, students. I will be clicking self-registration link and I need to select sign up with Google. Yes, for me also it's loading. Don't worry, students. We're going to share attendance form as well. Tomorrow morning, you will be getting this session recording in your official Telegram group only. And we're going to share your offer letters as soon as possible. And all the information we are going to share in your official Telegram group only. We don't have any WhatsApp group. We have only official Telegram group only. We will share on Google Form. In that Google Form, all students should mark your attendance. I would request Nandini ma'am to share attendance form, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing right away.
Offer letter we're going to share in your official Telegram group only. We're going to share OneDrive folder link with the specific index number. Just you can check your index number. Accordingly, you can download your offer letter. For time being, I will be disabling your chat section. Madam has shared the Google form. I will going to show you how to complete your attendance form, students. See, students, this is your attendance form. I hope my screen is visible. Nandini ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, your screen is visible. And I
Student,
have
this is
shared the attendance. 1 second. I have shared the attendance in the chat section, students, as well as in the Telegram group. Those who cannot able to join the session can make use of the Telegram group. Yes, sir, over to you.
yes, student. This is the attendance form. I will going to explain how to fill out attendance form. First, you have to fill out your full name, student's name. Then you have to select your gender. Then you have to mention your contact number, your WhatsApp contact number. Then you have to mention your qualification or course name, like BCA, BTech, MCA, MTech. Likewise, you have to mention your qualification and course name. Then you have to mention your name of institute. Name of institute, nothing but your college name. You have to mention your college name. Next one, you have to mention your university name. If both university and college name are same, then you can mention same in the both questions. If some college will comes under some other university, those students need to mention university name as well as their institute name and select your year of degree, like which year you are pursuing currently, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Next one, mention your AICT internship student ID. It will start with STU. We have attached one screenshot for your better understanding. While you are applying this internship in AICT portal, you will get the student ID. Just you can log into the AICT portal under your My Profile section. You will get this AICT student ID that will start from STU. You need to mention your unique student ID. And which session have you attended? Today we have uh, scheduled for this orientation session. Just you can select the orientation session. And the session date is 18 June 2025. There is a drop down. Just you can select 18 June 2025. And was this session is useful? Just you can select yes and no option is there. Just you can select. And then click the next section. The second section will talk about the skills build registration details. Were you able to register on skills build? If you successfully register on skills build platform, just you can select yes. If you not, then select no. The next question, mention your IBM skills build email ID. I clearly mentioned you will get this details from IBM skills build profile section. We have attached here on screenshot as well. You have to mention your IBM skills build email ID. See, you need to mention your correct skills build email ID. Then only we can track your learning progress. If you're not given proper email ID, then we won't be able to track your learning progress. This is most important, students. You need to mention your correct IBM skills build email ID. Next question is skills build organization. There is a drop down called DGT, Internet Foundation, Open Skills Build, and others option. Based on your profile section, you need to mention the same. Then click the submit button. This is the attendance form for this orientation session. There are only basics questions, just you can complete it and you can submit it. So far, I can see only 49 students have been submitted. Nandini ma'am, you can share in Telegram group as well, mentioning the attendance form. Yeah, till end of the day, we will going to open this attendance form. Students try to submit by end of the day. Yes, if you're not able to complete your registration process, you can refer this session recording. Tomorrow morning, I will going to share in your Telegram group, students. Then you can complete it the registration process. Then you can start exploring the IBM Skills Build platform. Do you have any doubts in registration process and the how to explore platform. Attendance links already shared. One second, I'm going to share attendance link as for students. I'm sharing all the important links in the chat. I will be sharing in your Telegram group as well, and I will going to pin. Students, I have shared all the four links like self-registration link, demonetization course link, Telegram group link, and attendance form link. You can access important links in ACT Batch 2 AI 2526. This is our official Telegram group. Where you can find your ACT ID students. Just you can go to Google and type AICTE. Under AICTE, just go to AICTE internships. Under internships, you can go to your profile section. Under your profile, you are able to get your student ID. I clearly mentioned. Here you can see we have attached one screenshot also, AICTE screenshots. Students, there is a server down from IBM, and for that, I would request everyone to try later of this evening. Otherwise, you can try tomorrow, students. I will going to share all the guided videos, session recording, all the information we're going to share in your official Telegram group. Don't worry about the information. That is fine. If you have different email ID, that is fine. We can track your progress through attendance form information as well as ACT data. See, students, now it's loaded. See, this is IBM skillsbuild dashboard. Under dashboard, you can explore all the courses. See, there is a right top. You can see search option. Under search option, I am typing as communicating with impact. See, this course I have shown in the PPT as well. Now I am searching in the IBM Skillsbuild dashboard. This is the short duration course. Now I'm going to show you practical mode, the desktop version as well. Yes, now it's loaded for me, but
Students, we have already shared the attendance form in the Telegram group as well as in the chat section. You can get the link through Telegram.
yes, just you can refer pinned messages, students. Just now I have shared and I have pinned as well. You can click the pinned message. You can see all the four important links I have shared. Just you can refer Telegram group pinned messages. It's taking time, students. Meanwhile, I can clarify your doubts. Deadline for attendance, students, today itself you have to mark for today's session. Student ID I had mentioned, you can visit AICT portal, then you can get to know your student ID. Yeah, if you're not able to access a skills build platform, then you can complete the attendance form. No worries, students. You can fill out the attendance form. The later you can try out for the registration as well as completion of courses. Portal is not working. Maybe there is some server time, students. You can try later. No worries. You can try out later. See, students, as I mentioned, you should be under Internet Foundation or DGT organization. Apart from this, if you're getting some other organization, please try to re-register with new email ID because we will going to share all your updates in Telegram group. How many students have been completed and engaged in skills build platform? This report we will going to share. Maybe that time your name will going to missing. For that, I would request everyone to follow the process. Whatever we will be mentioning, you need to follow the process. Then your name will be appears. Then later you can eligible for the final certification. Tomorrow you will get the session recording. Yes, yes. By end of the day also you can mark attendance. If ACT portal is not working fine, that is fine. You can try later. Yes, yes. We will keep open for the Telegram group. Just keep on completion of the courses. Just you can explore the platform and keep on uploading your screenshot in the Telegram group, students. Yes, students. We have done with the orientation session. Just I am clarifying student doubts. And if you are able to open your camera, just we need one group photos with your phone with the skills build homepage, students. Can I get the response? You are able to open your camera?
We request all the students to turn on your camera so that we can get some good pictures with you all.
Okay,
We
students are
have
mentioning.
enabled.
Yes, I have
Yeah.
enabled before starting the session. I have enabled for now. No worry, students. Will next session we will going to allow you to open your camera. I hope students we have clarified all your doubts. Still, if you have any doubts, please feel free to mention in the chat section. We can clarify. The same repetitive questions, attendance deadline by end of the day, and site is not working. Please try after some time. We will going to share your offer letters as soon as possible, and session recording we're going to share in your official Telegram group tomorrow morning. And just you can explore the platform, you can complete the course, you can keep on uploading your certificates in the Telegram group, students. Yes, thank you, students. I hope you have learned something new about IBM skillsbuild platform. Hoping you will be accessing the platform and you can benefit it from the skillsbuild platform and you can upskill yourself, students. And we'll meet Next week, same day, same time with the technical session. Thank you all, students. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you all. Bye bye. And thank you, Nandini ma'am, for your great support.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. We request all the students to complete your registration process and start exploring the courses as sir have guided you on the entire process. You can watch the recordings as well. We will be sharing the recordings through Telegram group. So before next week, coming to the technical session, you have to complete your registration process and start exploring the courses in the IBM Skillsbuild platform. Until then, thank you, students. Have a great week ahead. Thank you, everyone.